Just when you thought it couldn't get no crazier, man, they motherfucking let the dude that's accused of killing King Von out on bond, man. That's right, man. Lil Tim, Georgia native, Savannah, Georgia native, man, was accused of killing King Von. Has been in jail at Fulton County, I believe, has been released, and you can see like him and Quando Rondo last night flexing money, throwing money. And remember, he killed King Von. King Von is like motherfucking John Lennon to these little kids in these urban communities. So man, I think that back door is definitely gonna be open for Lil Tim, man. You got motherfuckers that's just gonna do something to you just off the strength of how much motherfucking love these kids show for Vaughn, and man, this shit gonna be kind of, that's the little video right there, man. I chose not to put it. I've been getting flagged for posting another video, so I'm doing another little joint editing joint right now, just trying it out, man. Quando Rondo, man, I ain't gonna hold you, man. He is using Lil Tim as a pawn. He's putting him to the forefront like, all right, motherfucker, I ain't getting killed, they gonna kill you. You heard? But you gonna act like you that killer and you that shooter and just, hold me down. Not saying that they soft or anything like that, but there's a lot of people that's gonna be coming for your neck, man, especially coming from the the kids that's looking up to these rappers and that drill culture right there, man. It's gonna be a real rough motherfucking summer, Lil Tim. Watch your back, man. That back door is motherfucking open. And this your boy Ty West, 12 Talk Sports, getting a little new format going, man. Durkee, everybody, man. Everybody got their eyes open. So, in saying that, don't nobody go out there and do nothing stupid, man. You heard? That's right. Rest in peace, grandson. Some people will say free Lil Tim. Lil Tim free for the moment. He gonna get to fight this case from the outside looking in. And we got some real interesting stuff coming up, man. I think that back door is definitely open for Lil Tim. So close that back door as your counterpart, preached in the song, man. It's your boy Ty West, 12 Talk Sports /GCV. I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Ow.